Welcome back to Style with Centel. I'm going to share with you Seint makeup and how it's all in one compact. So just love that. But before I do my makeup, I'm just going to quickly clean my brushes with our brush cleanser. Really easy, just spray them on, twirl them, and look, super clean. It's so nice to have clean brushes because clean brushes help you with your makeup because you're only picking up a little makeup and you have most transfer to your skin. It's like a painter. You never see a painter, an artist, do a painting and they've got dirty brushes and they keep using the same brush over and over again. They like using clean brushes. And that's just the way we are too. So there, perfectly clean brush. We're just gonna start with a little bit of color corrector in main shade. And contour is what adds some dimension and shadow and depth to our face. So it's not like bronzer. Bronzer adds warmth. and contour adds depth. There's places you can contour. It's completely optional what you like to contour. My favorite place to contour is definitely adding some cheekbones and giving our mature face a lift. So I am Centel, and my mission is to help women with mature skin. I'm in my 50s, and anybody else in their 50s, I am here to help you. Whether you're 50s, 60s, 70s, or even you're younger, I'm here to help you with your makeup. But I can relate to us in our 50s getting older and really figuring out how makeup fits with us and how it is not like it was in our 20s. So if I can help you, that's what I'm all here for. So the first thing is contour, and contour can be so simple and it can add such a difference to your overall look and feel. So I have this little brush called a detail brush. It's got this flat end, and we're just going to contour, and I'm going to just press that in. Contour color is this one, and when you get your colors with me, I will color match you. So I will give you a contour that fits with your skin color and it'll look well, and you just tap a little bit on under your cheekbone. So you're going to find like the top of your ear, feel where your cheekbone is, and kind of just go under that. So once you find where your placement, and just press up. So you can put it on like that. You can also put it on with your finger, and you can draw a line with your finger. Just like that. And then you can just blend it in. And you blend it in. I blend it in by pushing up a little bit and blending it in. So look. So now that gives my face a lift, and I have contour on my cheeks. Forehead, you can contour your forehead, the top of it. I'm quite tan now, so you really don't see a whole lot of difference there. Or you can also with your finger, you can dot it on, and then you can just blend it out. And I usually blend up into my hairline, and it's not a place where I'm going to put any of my foundation or my main shade of makeup. Okay, so the other place you can contour is your jawline, and give us a jawline or our jowls, and you can just kind of follow that jawline there, and then you can brush back, and that just gives you more of an emphasis of a jawline. Again, you could grab your finger and place it with your finger and then blend it in. So there's no right or wrong way to put it on. It's just, it will just add those shadows. So it just gives your jawline a little bit more of an emphasis and creates a shadow there. And then you can also contour your nose. Not necessary. I have quite a wide nose, so you can contour it. Now you can contour it a couple ways. You can stamp the brush and just stamp it on the side. Or you can use your fingers again and put the product on 2 fingers and run your fingers down your nose like that. And then blend out. And what you're going to do, usually when you do a nose contour, you're then going to take your highlight color, your brightener color, and go right in between. And then that gives your nose a more narrow look. And it's super easy to do. Again, not necessary, But that's how simple contour is. Contour is just one color. It's a darker color. It's not your blush. It's not your bronzer. And they're usually a little darker because they're adding a shadow. About what? About brightener and where to brighten and how to brighten in our 3D makeup. So 3D makeup is all about giving our face a three-dimensional look. I have already have my main shade on, or color corrector, my main shade, and I've done some contour. So where do you brighten? It's so simple. I'm going to just take and I'm going to brighten in a kind of a triangle of my face. So I'm going to brighten in this area. I want to brighten, and I'll just blend that through. I can brighten on my Cupid's bow and on my chin, just kind of giving your inner triangle of your face some brightener. So simple, but yet that attracts more light and it brightens our face. The other place we like to brighten is under our eyes. I'm not going right to the top of my eye, I'm going under. I can brighten on the side here, which would be above where I put my blush. So look at that side. Blend that in. So you can see this side versus this side. This side looks a lot brighter, more youthful. And I will help you with your placement of yours. It's just playing and figuring out where you like yours too. But I totally like it like that. And then the last place that you can also add a little bit of brightener sometimes is under your contour. Just a little bit right there. And that just makes your contour a little bit more defined. So just very little, and then I'm just going to blend that. One last place I also like to brighten. I like using my highlight colors to prep my eyes because I have some discoloration, and when I want a really natural look, I don't need a whole lot of makeup on. And this gives me a great base to prime my eyes with. So I use my brightener for that too. Very, very little product goes a long, long way. And I've totally brightened. And what you can do when you prime your eyes and under your eyes, then you just set that with a little translucent powder, and we have our vanilla dust. And I'll just take the powder brush, dab that in, and I'll just set that. I want to talk about Tiger Lily today. It's a lip and cheek color, and it is one of our new colors from our Shades of the Season. So a limited edition that's available January, February, and March of 2023. And so let's see how that looks as a lip and cheek. So for my cheek color, I'm just gonna, it's a nice coral color. I'm just gonna tap a little bit on with my finger, and then I can blend that. Totally loving this color. It looks a little bright, but when you put it on, it's a really nice soft coral color. I call it coral. I guess salmon, coral. You can also just use your brush and tap it in and tap it on. So the tins come, as you know, that all of our lip and cheeks come in these tins that are magnetic. And so you can just put it in your palette and you can switch out if I wanted to take, I want to wear Tiger Lily today and take out Love Spell. I can just pop out Love Spell, and then today is Tiger Lily. So how does that look? Nice thing with these lip and cheeks is you can just layer on until you get the intensity of what you like. It's really pretty. And then for a lip color, it's a matte color, or a matte, some of our matte lipstick, so it's not glossy. I like that on its own. It's right up my alley. Or I could also put a gloss over top and to change it up, but I like that. So there you have it, Tiger Lily. I'll just do a little swatch of it on my hand for you. That's what Tiger Lily looks like. So there you have it, Tiger Lily. And it's one of our shades of the season, lip and cheek color. And it looks like a really soft coral, and it is so pretty. So until next time, live, love, learn, and laugh.